Okay, so I'm taking a video for my own reference here of this. I hope this is coming out. This is quite an old mower. It's 1983. It was one of the first 0 point. I think Dixon, these mowers were the first to introduce 0 point, which means you can turn it on a dime. Gonna have to make a fuel tank obviously for it, so going under there. It works on those like those two chains. Okay. Rust is not too bad at this point. That carburetor might be an issue. I'm hoping not, and I'm hoping that motor isn't seized. So anyway, if I can get that going, I might actually pull the motor off and just try and get it going. If I can get that going, that's one thing. And then those chains and everything look okay. The wheels are. I'm not sure if this is coming out. I don't know if that's coming out. It hasn't gone too far. Like I can weld up the front. Yeah, I don't know. I think these are world's worst video. I think these are the things that break on them. So yeah, Zeeter 308, 1983. Fucking old mower, isn't it? I don't know if this is coming out because it's the sun at the back there. Let's have a look underneath. I think the belt's still intact. I'm hoping that's coming out, whatever I'm filming. And again, just under there, I'll take some photos and whatever. Anyway, that's the next project. Get this old bastard running. I'm not going to put a battery in it, I'm just going to put a pull starter on it. See how we go. Okay.